Hey guys, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, I hope you are liking the content of my channel, and if it is so, then please subscribe to my channel and also refer this to your friend and family. Okay, now coming back to the point. So what are we going to start today? So I have plans to start a project of a commercial building. Okay, so I'm just going to show you something. After that, we will move on over here. So here is my YouTube channel, and you can see I have already completed how to study the structural drawing, and I have like completed this one in both the languages. Over here you can find the playlist in English, and below that you will find the playlist in Hindi, right? So now I hope that you already know how to study the architectural plan, or sorry, the structural drawing of a residential building. But what about the commercial one? So I am just going to start the project on the commercial one, and I will cover everything over here. I will start from the architectural plan, then I will go to the structural drawing, and I will also try to inculcate the plumbing and electrical drawings in this particular series. So this series is going to be a little longer than any of my previous series, but obviously the content over here is going to be superb because this is a commercial building, and I don't think that on YouTube for the free content you can get a commercial building plan or anything. If you get that, then obviously please refer the link to me. I will also like try to improvise my videos from the existing ones. Okay, now I'm going to share you this is going to be the introductory session. So I will show you what are the different things that I'm going to explain in the architectural planning. So over here you can see this is the project that we are going to discuss in on our channel, and over here you can see this is the ground floor with the parking, and here is the architectural plan for that. We are going to study each and everything in detail, so do not worry about that. So after the ground floor we have the basement floor, after that we have the first floor, then second, then third, and then fourth. After that we have fifth and sixth floor also. That means that this is going to be a B plus G plus 6 building. Okay, sorry, B plus G plus 5, no, 6, yeah, obviously B plus G plus 6. So this is going to be a huge project, and over here you can see the roof plan. After that we will also talk about the elevations of the different floors, and then we will also talk about the elevation from the another side, then sections of the building and what not. Everything is going to be discussed in detail in this series, so stay tuned till the end of this series. Okay, now you can see we have the section where we can see the staircases, then we will go for the detailed uh, like um, values for the out. You can see this is going to help the for the construction, so dimension layout will also be there for the ground floor, basement floor. Similarly it will be there for each and every floor from first to sixth floor of the building. So I'm just going to pass each and everything quickly, but obviously you can stop this and you can take the screenshot if you want to study it in detail. Okay, then we will go for the details of the kitchen windows and the full height windows. Then we will also go for the typical sections of the commode, low pan, and elevation of the commodes. Everything will be studied in detail on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and subscribe it, because if you will subscribe to the channel, then you will be notified first whenever I am uploading any videos related to this project or any other project. Okay, so I have plans that I will continue this project first. Okay, and after the completion of this project I am going to come up with a one very interesting project which is of a residential building, and you can see this is the 3D of that particular project. So I will study this project also in detail. Okay, so do not stay tuned to the channel, because this channel is going to be flooded with all kind of videos where we are going to study each and every detail of a project. And if you are planning to be a site engineer or even a structural engineer, then you must know how to read the drawings, and everything will be covered over here. And obviously if you want to learn how to make all the drawings, how to especially if you are willing to go in the structural designing field or even in the building planning field, then you can consult me, because I am a building consultant and I also provide the professional training to the students who want to learn the 3D modeling through the SketchUp and the V-Ray. And then I will also guide you with the Photoshop skills. And I am also an expert in the building planning. If you want to plan a residential building, obviously I can help you with that. Yeah, for the commercial projects, I usually hire the architects because they had to go with a lot of detailing over there. So this project that I'm going to study is like made by another architect. I cannot take his name over here, but yeah, obviously. All the rights of the project belongs to that architect. I have not drawn a single line in this one, but yeah, I will just help you to study how these plans are to meant to be studied for the execution on the ground. Okay, but yeah, if you want to learn how to design a building structurally through the STAAD Pro, RCDC, and like combined with Excel and manual calculations, and finally how to draft them in the AutoCAD, so everything can be guided to you in our professional training classes. All the classes will be online and it will be available uh, like um, like the recordings will be made available to you through my app Civil Raja. So, and there are a few free contents over there also, so you can just go ahead and check out my Android app also. Now let's come back to the point where we were like checking what are the different things that we are going to see in our drawing. Okay, so over here you can see this is the a typical section of the cabinet basin, and after that we have the typical sectional elevation of the cabinet basin. Okay, so everything will be shown properly over here. Then we have the details of the staircase, and obviously the cross section and the elevation will also be shown to you. Okay, so we are like planning to cover each and everything over here, and not just this, we will also like cover the like a structural drawing where we are going to, I will just open the drawing for you first, and after that I will take you to the like particular page. Okay, so let me show it to you. Yeah, this is the hospital project. Then the, yeah, this is the a structural drawing. So what are the different things that we are going to study in the structural drawing? That I will show you in a minute. Let me just fix everything over here. Yeah, so it's ready, and now I'm just going to show it to you. So over here you can see we will start with this structural design and criteria requirement. Obviously there are a lot of things that you can see over here, and how these are going to be important on the site. Everything will be discussed in detail over uh, there in my video series, so stay tuned to it. Okay, and if you find this like video important, then also hit the like button, and obviously if you think that any of your friends can be benefited from this, then share this video with them also. Then you can see we will learn all these details, how to study these details, and then we will study the grid layout, then the wooden shore pile layout. Okay, and after that you can see we have the column layout. So everything that is in and there in the project, we will study everything in detail. And obviously even studying a single page can take a single session. Okay, so have patience. Okay, because everything is going to be very detailed when I am discussing all these things. So in this is the introductory session, and over here I'm just showing you what are the different things that will be there. Okay, like this is the typical enforcement of the pile. Okay, and also we have the cross sectional area, and the elevations are being shown over here, how everything has to be like created, and how the pile caps will be created. So you can see what are the different positions of the pile, and how the intersection of the pile with the columns can be possible in the like construction. Everything will be discussed in detail over there. Okay, so over here you can see this is a highly detailed one. Okay, so basement layout is there. Then we have the ramp thickness and the ramp angle. So we will also study about the ramps over there, because in this project we have used the ramp at two locations. So first on the ground floor and second on the basement level. Then we will also study the details of the septic tank. Then you can see we will study a little bit about the lift area also. Okay, then how the sections of the plans are meant to be created, and how we have to study this. Then obviously the ground floor, and there is a different representation of the beams than I usually draw. Okay, so whatever I draw, I have already explained that in my project of the residential building, and that you can also check out my uh, those videos are completely free, so you can simply just go ahead and check them out. Obviously, where you can get that, you can get that on the YouTube channel of Civil Raja. Obviously, you have to simply type Civil Raja in the like this box, search box, and then you have to click on the channel, or you can simply search for Civil Raja 2022 and it will redirect you to my channel. Then go to the videos section, or you can also go to the playlist section, and over there you can also find the videos. Okay, but since these videos are recently created, so you will find the details of this in Hindi and English as well. Okay, so study of the structural drawings can be covered from there also, but from the architects, when an architect or some other firm create such videos, then such drawings, then how we have to study them, that I will show you in this particular session. Okay, so you can see we have different section of the beams, longitudinal section and the cross section, both are there, and I will study everything so that you can be sure that how to read each and every drawing over there, and why I will also give cover some theoretical points over here, like why these things are being created in such a manner, why the cover in the column is 40 why the cover in the footing is um, 50. Okay, so all these things will be covered over here, and you can see all the drawings will be made available to you. I'll also show you a glimpse of the electrical drawing. After that, it will be too much for you, so I will just open the electrical drawing. Yeah, I guess electrical drawing is already collected over here. So let me just yeah, show it to you. So this is session will give you a glimpse of what are the different things that we will simply cover in this series. And you can see there are so many pages over here, and to cover all the pages it will take almost a month, and you can imagine like how much it will take to create such things. So obviously this is a very detailed project, and you will get to learn a lot of things in this project. Okay, so you can see how the electrical equipments are being arranged over here, and obviously I will also cover the plumbing one, but right now I do not have the plumbing drawing in this laptop, so I will just show it once all these drawings are completed. But yeah, plumbing will also be included in this series, so stay tuned. And yeah guys, one more thing, just subscribe to Civil Raja, and if you want to learn the professional training, then you can find the details in the description. Okay, so you can see i have I have reached till the fifth floor, sixth floor, and over here we have the basement floor, and everything, the lights, the fans, and the diagnostic chambers. So whatever the things that are needed to be there, with each and every details of the dimensions are mentioned over here, so every inch counts. Okay, then we have these details like what you can see, HDB details, and everything will be shown to you how uh, we have to go for the electrical fixtures. Everything will be covered, so do not worry that after that you will need to check out any other video or any other video series to study all these drawings. So everything will be covered over here, and I am going to start this. I will try to make this video regular. I know that on my channel normally I due to my engagements actually, because I also am involved in a lot of projects, so obviously I cannot make the videos regularly, but I will try to stick to the schedule, and I will try to be as regular as possible on this channel, so that I can cover up the whole project in minimum amount of time. Okay, so guys, I will see you tomorrow at the same time. And obviously if you will subscribe to my channel, then you will be notified. Also press the bell icon. Okay, without that the notification is not going to be there in your box. So I will see you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.